Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the second step, guys. So we are discussing about alternate architectures, right? So in the previous lecture, we gone through the first step where you will be analyzing the architectures, and at the end, after multiple iterations, you will be finalizing one architecture, guys. Okay. So now you will be in this step, you will be checking the complexity of that architecture. Okay. So the overall complexity of a proposed architecture is assessed. So basically here you will be assessing the architecture design which you designed or which you finalized in your previous step. So that based on some dependencies you will be checking, guys, between the components with the hierarchy, okay, with the architecture. Okay, so the first dependency that you will be checking is sharing dependency. So it represents depending relationship among the customers who use the same source or same resources or products, right? Who produces for the same customer. Okay, so basically sharing dependency is nothing but it represents the relation between among customers. So basically who is using the resources and who is producing the resources. So you will be considering them, guys, because there should be some arrows and everything should be indicated in the design properly so that the developer will not have any confusion. Okay, so you should make the dependencies in a proper way and flow. Yes, exactly, the flow also depends basically on that only, between the relationship between the producer and consumer. Okay, similarly constrained dependencies. So in constrained dependencies you will be writing some conditions, guys. So constraints for relative flow of control among the set of activities. So in some situations you need to do some operations. So assume that there is a producer who is producing some kind of goods and there is a consumer. Okay, so but consumer is not consuming anything, but producer is producing. So at some time the storage will be full, right? Then he should stop producing and until the sales should start. So until sales will start he should stop producing, right? So that is nothing but a constraint. So like that there should be some constraints also. So you'll be checking these constraints whether they are properly designed or not, because if they are not properly designed the code will also have some flaws, guys. So basically this is a flaw, right? That is nothing but even the producer is not having any storage, he is producing the things, hence there will be many issues due to that, right? Yes. So this is nothing but about architecture complexity. So once architecture complexity is done, then he will be describing it in the architectural describable language. That is nothing but ADL, guys. Okay. So we'll be discussing about that in the next lecture, guys. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.